Welcome everybody to this new episode of Sunday Cooking Class.
Hello, welcome. This is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home. So, what are we cooking today?
We are cooking, what was that?
Carrots.
with the yogurt sauce.
We've been preparing this for like...
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so we have carrots with a yogurt sauce. So, good recipe. Our kids adore it. It's super good.
It's very healthy.
Very fresh. It's the perfect combination for now that we're heading to warmer days. This is like the perfect thing.
Okay.
So,
Let's
shall
go.
we? Let's start. Let's cook a little bit. So, everybody, welcome home. As we always say, let's see if I turn the camera around. Here we go. So, let me show you a little bit of our decoration. Here we have ours. We call it peanuts. We love that guy. So, that's our decoration. And let's see what we are going to be needing today. Okay, so we have like two parts. This one, this one. These are going to be the stars of the day. Okay, carrots, plain simple carrots. Then we're going to grill them. We're going to put them in the oven. You're going to need a little bit of olive oil, salt, curry powder, and the touch of a little bit of maple syrup. Okay?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. And then for the main sauce or for the dip,
Yeah.
yeah, it's like a tzatziki, like an Greek.
Yeah, yes, this is a tzatziki.
Yeah, so you need some Greek yogurt, you need cucumber, you need some mint, lemon juice, and a couple of garlic cloves. Well, one garlic clove. If not, it's too much.
Yeah.
Or maybe even half of it.
Yeah, otherwise it's too much.
Okay, so,
Okay, very simple,
as usual.
as usual. So what we're going to do is start with the carrots.
Okay,
And what do? We put them into a baking tray because you're going to bake them, not grill them.
okay, very important. We have already peeled them and they're cut
And half
in
them.
half.
Yeah, so just cut in half, right?
There we go. So
Okay.
they are cut in half and they are peeled.
They're quite small. These are small. We like them. We like a small organic carrots. If you can, it's not mainly because of the flavor, really.
Yeah, well, and they're healthier if they're organic. So we put a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil.
So yes, like one tablespoon, and I would say one teaspoon or half of teaspoon of curry. Oh, this
Okay.
is quite a lot. And then a little bit of salt. This is Maldon salt, but use any kind of salt. And a little bit, a drizzle of maple syrup, right? Yes, for
Yeah.
the sweetness. Although carrots are already quite sweet.
Sweet, but I don't know, the maple syrup, I guess like it caramelizes or something and it becomes so good. I mean, it's like
Yeah.
really good.
And then use your hands. Please use your hands when you cook.
Yes.
It gives the food love.
Well, I mean, what we do out here in our YouTube channel is just home food. And when you're cooking for your family, you put all the love. And really, I mean, I remember my grandma saying, hey, everything just goes into...
If you're cooking for somebody else or in
Yeah.
a restaurant, maybe.
Yeah, you should not do it with your hands. But if it's just for the family, use your hands. I mean, of course, you have washed your hands before. So,
Of course.
yep, super good. Okay, so now
Okay. So
we have preheated the oven.
well, let's say 200 degrees. How much is that in Fahrenheit?
I'll write down. Not very high. Well, as always, we have a little bit of pre-cooked. Okay, so what we have done, it's these have been in the oven for about 25 minutes.
No, not even. I
20?
would say 20 minutes.
20 minutes. And as you can see, they're not overcooked.
No, I don't
Okay,
like
they
it.
have to be tender, but not overcooked.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
So we're gonna put the ones that we just did in the oven. This in 20 minutes, 25 minutes, this is how they're gonna look.
Just to your taste. I'm going to take these out.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put the others in.
So yeah, we do have a lot of friends coming for dinner tonight. So this is gonna be like one of the entrees we're gonna cook for them. All right, so yeah.
Okay.
And now we gotta do the sauce.
The sauce is very simple. Right, yes, it is a tzatziki, right? So what we have done, peel the cucumber. I mean, this is also, this is a small cucumber. And we have left a bit of the green, so it has not been super peeled because we like the color. But what we get out are the seeds, right? Because if you leave the seeds, it's going to give out a lot of water, but it's completely up to you. We get them out because we don't want so much water. And then I'm going to use the microplane, which is a thing from hell, because you have to be very careful.
You cannot imagine how many times we have shredded a little bit of the finger with this thingy. How's your finger lately?
My fingers are fine, but I have to concentrate, so I'm not going to talk to you.
Okay.
Because microplane is some like...
it got super thin and super precise,
super
but...
Good. Super good.
It's dangerous.
And I love it, but I have to be very concentrated. Otherwise, I might have to run out of view.
Oh. Did you go? Did you hurt yourself?
No, I didn't hurt myself. I just have to be careful. Yeah, you know, I am. I have to use it all because I don't throw many things away.
You will not throw anything away.
No. Okay, so yes, it goes very quickly, and it's really good. So you get your cucumber. So this is a small, medium cucumber.
Yeah.
So you put everything in.
There we go. It's just shredded cucumber in there. And now you have to just add the rest of the ingredients, which are...
This is mint. I use mint.
It's fresh mint.
It's fresh mint. Yeah, well, you can use it dry, but mint loses a lot of flavor when
it dries out.
Yeah. So sometimes what I do is freeze it.
Yeah, it freezes very well.
It freezes well, and then it becomes very fragile, so you can really break it. Because what I'm going to do is cut it fine. So this is what I was trying to make, like a little parcel of it. So I can shred it finely. And
there you go.
There, so, and then maybe a little bit more.
You don't need to be precise and pristine. I mean, you just
really.
have to cut it in small pieces, and that's pretty much
Pretty
everything
much
you need.
it. Right.
There we go.
So, our daughter loves this. She's not home today, so.
There we go.
There. So you've got the cucumber, you've got the mint. What are you going to do?
Let's put only half of it.
Sure.
Here we always have a debate. I know I love garlic, but I know extra loves it. So she puts like a lot of garlic into this sauce. To me, it's like, okay, but overrules all the rest of the flavors.
I mean, you do absolutely need garlic with tzatziki, right?
I know, but...
Absolutely. But this is nothing, Fran. I mean, this...
But these garlics are very... There she goes. Did she listen to me? Hell no. I don't live in a democracy.
No.
I live in a dictatorship.
Okay. So it's very little garlic, right? So look, I left half of it in here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So the garlic, it's in there.
Oh, I hate it when it's dirty.
Okay.
All right. So the garlic is in here. You add a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Right. You add.
This is a lemon juice.
You put one lemon right in here.
Yeah, this is one whole lemon.
Okay, so what I do is that's
half of it.
This is I would say
Greek yogurt, like 2 cups.
2 cups. You can use normal yogurt if you want.
The thing is that it is much richer if you put the Greek yogurt. It has cream and it's like...
Well, this is a Spanish Greek yogurt, so it's not as good as the real one.
Yeah.
But
I mean, the Greek yogurt I mean, obviously in Greece they don't call it Greek yogurt. They just call it yogurt.
This is strange, yeah? It's really strange.
Okay. So yeah, they do the yogurt, which is much thicker, much richer. Okay,
Yeah,
so really,
it's good enough. Let's say
super,
it's good
super.
enough. So very important, you taste it. I'm going to put some more
yogurt.
I'm going to put it all.
Doesn't have too much garlic now.
No, in fact, it doesn't have any garlic at all because you're a chick. But it needs a bit more salt.
Okay.
You can put pepper if you want, but it doesn't really go with this.
Nah.
Okay, so fine. And then we're going to do is serve it, right?
Okay. So that's it. We are done.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do now is give it a try and have the serving the way we present
I'm
it.
going to bring the...
Be careful, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Just came out of the oven.
Yeah, it's a bit hot.
Well, I know has superpowers and she doesn't get burned. Not like me that I'm a wimp.
Okay, so what do? You put this underneath. And you get yourself, well, let's say 3, no? This, you get some bread.
Yes.
And
Okay.
dip.
There's always fights for that olive oil that has the curry and has, oh, that is so good. But then you put, hey, this is a Mediterranean
Yeah,
dish. It requires a little bit of olive oil.
And that's it.
And
If you want a bit more salt, probably because I forgot to put like salt into the other
carrots.
So you
Okay.
add a bit more salt if you want, and that's it.
And that's it. Okay, so as you can see, it's simple, fresh, healthy, has absolutely all the requirements that are in a dish.
Finished.
Yes. And we are done. So everybody, thank you so much for joining in today. We shall see you next week. We don't know what we're doing next week yet. Do we? Well,
We'll let you know.
we'll send you an email.
We'll send you an email with the ingredients and everything, so just keep updated.
Okay,
too.
if you are not in our email list, please, at the end of this video, you have the link to sign in for our newsletter.
Yeah.
And in there you get all the information about the tours I'm doing, about all the recipes, the articles in the newsletter, everything, it's in there. Okay, so please join our newsletter and
And see you next week.
we shall see you next week. Everybody,
Bye.
have a wonderful, wonderful week. We shall see you.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. Adios.